Good morning. This is Jayant, and my topic is induction process. Induction process is a process where you welcome new employees, new recruited employees, and maintain and make comfortable them to sustain the working environment. There are some steps in process of induction process. First step is job advert, application pack, pre-employment handbook, and primary induction. Uh, First one is the job advert. Job advert should be realistic and with a design with the copy which reflects the culture of the organization. The job advert should emphasize the advert current employees for finding satisfying. It must be accurate about the pay and some conditions which uh, show a proper job advertisement with beginning of the selection procedure ensures the most suitable person. Application pack. This should provide a literature about the organization, who we are, what we have achieved, what is like to work here. A suitable job description is a brief outline of the terms and conditions. Application pack is nothing but a set of letter which consists of some terms and conditions. Next one is pre-employment handbook. This can take in a form of actual handbook. It's just a brief about the first day when an employee comes in an organization, what he actually should be doing in the first day. So there are some list of things which should be kept in mind. First one is the time and place of the employee he should arrive. Next, the person whom he should be report or ask for, what type of they should wear, clothing they should wear, like formal or casual. Any specific security arrangement they should be aware of, and some conveyance like how they are going to uh, and what are the things, what are the documents they are going to bring on the first day. It's just a brief about that, so that they should be known that they can predict that what will happen on the first day. This is some information that is given in pre-employment handbook. The last one is primary induct. Primary induct is a face-to-face induction where the inductee will face an employee of the company. It it should address both inductee and the employee immediate needs and priorities such as health and safety, conveyance, some personal details like driving license, car insurance, previous personal details, and all such things which are related to persons. Taking in all this information can be overwhelming of the first day and easy to forget in coming days. It's just this is a process where the new employee will be introduced to the things what should he do and what are the things he should be aware of. Thank you.
Okay, so Jayant, you have told about the induction process, right?
Yes.
Now, can you tell in your own words what is that the company does when a person gets inducted on the first day?
They introduce them to they introduce the employee to the organization, and
Okay,
uh, something like orientation. They just
okay,
make the clear them all the policies and duties, do's and don'ts, and
yes,
whom to report and whom to report, and what are the things to be done.
okay. So, can you tell that when you students, when they get inducted into the college, what is that you were made aware of?
First, we were made aware of what to what are the do's and don'ts, and what is the syllabus of our uh, first semester, and what will be, we going to study in further?
Your class teacher,
Yeah, yes,
HOD,
bro. Yes, ma'am.
principal, dean. So they told that whom all how to go about reporting, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then they've given you a handbook also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what does that handbook consist of?
Ma'am, that handbook consists of the things like what are the things you are going to do, like what are you going to wear, and whom you are going to report, and what are your timings, and like that.
Right. So this is similar to that of a employee when he joins the organization. The same way you are also inducted. So when you don't remember the answer, so I request all the students, see, you remember when you have entered the college, then you will be able to write how the induction process go on. Good, very good, Jayant. Excellent. Good presentation, ma. Good.